Hi, so today we're going to learn how to record ourselves in Flipgrid for the art show. And then this video is what we will be sending home for the art show. And this is going to be a video that's all about our rainforest animals. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to Seesaw. And when you're in Seesaw, click your name and then click on the art class. Once you are there, you're going to click on the activities, the little light bulb over here. And you will see in there your teacher's name, and then it will say Rainforest Animals Flipgrid. You're going to click this blue link right underneath there. It says Flipgrid. Don't click Add Response, okay? You want to click this blue link for Flipgrid. Once you do that, a little pop-up window will pop up and it will say join with Google or join with Microsoft. I want you to click the blue one, join with Google. Click the one that's blue. And then another screen will pop up and you will see your name. Once you click your name, it will log in for you. Then you're going to just click record a response. Once you're in Flipgrid, hit the little circle to start recording. Some things that you can talk about are what animal did you create? What are some interesting facts about your animal? What did you use to make your project? Give yourself some glows, which means things you really like about your project, and give yourself some grows, which means things that you would make even better next time. Then hit the green Next button. On this screen, you will take a selfie, click on the button, take a picture of you and your project. Make sure that you can see your face in your picture. That's how your family will find your video. Please do not add any emojis to your picture or your video. Once you're done taking your picture, hit the green Confirm button. The last step is to hit the blue Submit button, and your video will be ready for the art show.